Good morning. My name is Rachel Amesqua. We have been emailing back and forth. So I received word that this ad degree was deemed deficient because my transcript only shows 7 hours of grad work. So I went and I looked at my transcript, and I'm sharing my screen. If I open what's in TN Compass, this first page shows some undergrad work that I had to do back in like 2001, 2002. This third page shows both my master's work and my doctoral work. Up in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see starting from summer of 2020 to this past fall, I've completed 30 additional graduate hours. So I am applying for the plus 30 to be added to my license. So it's kind of hard to talk about this when you can't talk on the phone. So I thought I'd show you what I'm seeing through a video and go from there. So thank you, and I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.